Look up at the night sky for just 5 seconds. What you're seeing is not peace, not stillness, but a universe in constant motion, full of explosions, collisions, and forces so powerful they twist time itself. Space isn't just out there. It's the greatest story ever written, and today, we're opening just one chapter. Space doesn't begin at a clear line. You might imagine space starting the moment Earth's sky ends, but in reality, there's no sharp border. Scientists use the Kármán line, about 100 kilometers up, as a convenient marker where air becomes too thin for aircraft to fly. And once you cross that invisible threshold, the rules of reality begin to change. You wouldn't instantly freeze in space. Contrary to movies, space wouldn't flash freeze you. With no air to pull heat away, your body would actually overheat briefly before other dangers set in. Temperature in space is strange, but scale is even stranger. The universe is mind-bendingly vast. The observable universe stretches 93 billion light-years across, meaning light itself takes billions of years just to cross what we can see. And in that staggering volume of space, something even more shocking is hiding. There are more stars than grains of sand on Earth. Every beach, every desert, every grain of sand combined still falls short of the number of stars scattered across the universe. But stars aren't just twinkling decorations, they have life stories. Stars are born, they live their lives, and then die. Stars form from giant clouds of gas, burn for millions or billions of years, and eventually run out of fuel, ending their lives in spectacular fashion. And when the biggest stars die, they don't go quietly. Some stars collapse into cosmic monsters. Massive stars explode and collapse into neutron stars or black holes, packing immense mass into unbelievably small spaces. And among these, black holes are the most misunderstood objects of all. Black holes don't suck everything in. Despite their reputation, black holes don't vacuum up the universe. Only objects that wander too close are trapped. But their gravity does something even more unsettling. Black holes slow down time. Near a black hole, gravity is so intense that time itself slows. To an outside observer, clocks near the black hole tick more slowly. And black holes aren't the only things reshaping the universe. Space itself is expanding. Galaxies aren't just moving through space, space itself is stretching, carrying galaxies apart like dots on a growing balloon. And some galaxies are being carried away faster than you might think. Some galaxies move away faster than light. This doesn't break physics, because it's space expanding between us, not the galaxies traveling through space. And even our own galaxy isn't standing still. The Milky Way is racing through space. Our galaxy moves at over 1.3 million miles per hour, carrying billions of stars, planets, and civilizations along for the ride. And it's headed straight toward something massive. The Milky Way will collide with Andromeda. In about 4.5 billion years, the two galaxies will merge in a slow-motion cosmic dance lasting millions of years. But not all worlds stay bound to galaxies or stars. There are rogue planets drifting alone. Some planets are ejected from their solar systems and wander the galaxy in darkness, without a sun to warm them. These rogue planets can be dangerous. Luckily for us, our solar system has a powerful guardian. Jupiter protects Earth. Jupiter's enormous gravity deflects or captures many asteroids and comets that could otherwise strike Earth. But space has more surprises than danger. Do you know space has a smell? Astronauts report that space smells like burnt metal, welding fumes, or hot steak, clinging to their suits after spacewalks. And yet, space itself is completely silent. Sound cannot travel in space. With no air or particles, sound waves have nothing to move through. Space is the ultimate quiet. But silence doesn't mean emptiness. Neutron stars are unbelievably dense. A teaspoon of neutron star material would weigh billions of tons on Earth. And the atoms in your body once knew even greater heat. You are made of star material. The elements in your body were forged inside stars that exploded long before Earth existed. You are, quite literally, stardust. Yet most of the universe remains invisible. Dark matter holds galaxies together. Dark matter makes up about 85% of all matter, shaping galaxies through gravity, even though we can't see it. And with all this motion and mystery, the biggest question remains. When will this universe end, or it may never end? The universe could keep expanding forever, slowly growing colder and darker as stars burn out. Or it may collapse someday, making a massive ball of matter and energy, eventually leading to another Big Bang, restarting everything again. What do you think? From invisible boundaries to dying stars and endless expansion, space is a reminder that reality is far stranger and more beautiful than we ever imagined. If this journey through the cosmos sparked your curiosity, stay tuned. See you next time.